So, hi Rashi, how are you?
I'm doing very well, Tarun. How are you?
I'm great. So, we have been thinking to record this testimonial from so long, or itna time lag gaya. And thank you so much for taking out time for me.
Oh, I need anything for you and for Sanidhya and for Aditi. And I mean, I think I've expressed that I'm already so indebted.
No, no, yes.
And this is the least
ठीक
I
है.
could do, to be very honest with you.
Thank you so much. So, ठीक है. We should stick to the set of questions, है ना? And before we start, just be completely frank and
Sure.
do है ना take your heart out because I don't want कि कुछ भी गलत हो and I hope it goes to the people those who are going to watch because ये मैंने
Absolutely.
हमने HRFMS के लिए किया है so HRFMS प्रोग्राम जो आपने मेरे साथ किया था so this is for that. So just for those people, those who are watching is, she is Rashi. She is going to introduce herself. मैं बता देता हूँ. So इन्होंने मेरे साथ HRFMS प्रोग्राम किया था quite long back, but वो पहली बार में नहीं हो पाया. फिर she again connected and she joined the another batch, and I can see a remarkable change in her. So let's start. So पहले I would like you to introduce yourself, your name, brief description about yourself, what profession you are in, and so that what you do, people are aware कि exactly कहाँ से आ रहे हैं तो that थोड़ा सा clear हो जाए.
Sure. Yeah. So my name is Rashi, and I work in tech industry, and I have over 14 plus years of experience. So yeah,
And
that's brief,
yes,
very brief
brief
about myself.
and where did she hear from? मतलब मेरे बारे में कहाँ से सुना था? Obviously, we know. You can
Sure.
share.
Yeah. No, absolutely. So I got to know about you, Tarun, through my brother. He's also in the armed forces,
Yes.
and I must say you have been very instrumental in helping him find his spiritual self, and the conviction with which my brother spoke about you, uh, and uh, and when he saw that I needed that, so I was very confident that I'll be very benefited, and I came with open mind, but with a lot of confidence that
Yeah.
this is it for me, and I wasn't proven wrong.
Yeah, I still remember when we firstly connected. So you already said कि भाई बताया है तो रवि ने बताया तो ठीक है, let's do it. But you never said, you never questioned what you do, what you said. Okay, let's start whatever you want to
Yeah,
do.
actually, yeah, I think that also helps, Tarun. And
Yes,
I mean, coming from my brother,
yes,
coming from my brother, and the conviction, to be honest with you, the
yes,
conviction with which he spoke about you, I think, I was sold anyways on you.
yes,
And he spoke about what you do and about you. So there were
yeah.
two parts to it. I was confident, and I really wanted to explore, how I could be benefited from this.
यस एंड बेसिकली रवि का भी टेस्टिमोनियल बचा है अभी जब वो थोड़ा फ्री होगा
Yes,
आई
yes,
डेफिनेटली हाँ
yes,
उसका
yes.
टेस्टिमोनियल भी मैंने रिकॉर्ड करना है बिकॉज उसके और मेरे कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस इतने अच्छे रहे हैं कि मतलब इट इज सो मैजिकल आई होप मैं उसको रिकॉर्ड करूंगा एंड पीपल विल शुड सी इट बिकॉज उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी और पता नहीं कहाँ से मैं सडनली लद्दाख में नो नेटवर्क जोन और मैं उसके पास पहुंच गया एंड आई गेव हिम द एग्जैक्ट आंसर विच ही वांटेड टू नो एंड मतलब दैट वाज मैजिकल एंड वी
It
आर
was,
सिटिंग
yeah. No, and Ravi, yeah, and like knowing Ravi, he's not, I think he was finding his spiritual self, or probably he was not
Yeah.
there.
Yes.
And even, I won't say he was very devout religious person, but I think he has grown in such a short period of time.
Yeah.
Uh, so his journey has, it has come full circle for me. So from a guy like that, to have to have spoken about you with such conviction and with such confidence, that so I was totally sold on it, and yeah.
मैं एक्चुअली मेरे को अभी भी याद है व्हेन
Yeah.
मतलब आपसे जब कनेक्शन हुआ था जब मुझे बोला कि सर मैं नहीं जानता सर आप कैसे हेल्प करोगे सर आप बस कर दो तो मैंने कहा यार फिर शी ही टोल्ड कि ऐसे ऐसे है जो भी है आपने बताया मैंने कहा यार थोड़े दिन तो हीलिंग लगेगी लगेगी फिर उसके बाद एक बार शी
Yes.
स्टेबलाइजेस देन आई हैव टू टीच हर बिकॉज दिस इज द ओनली वे पीपल डोंट
This is
अंडरस्टैंड इट
absolutely. Yeah.
मतलब जब आप कंजेस्टेड होते हो ना, आपको लाइफ समझ में नहीं आती, आपको अपने एक्शन समझ में नहीं आते हैं। सो मैं हर किसी को बोलता हूँ कि जब ना आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारा गड़बड़ चल रहा हो ना, थोड़ी सी हीलिंग लो किसी अच्छे हीलर से, हीलिंग लो, डिकंजेस्ट हो। आपका जब चश्मा साफ हो जाता है ना, यू स्टार्ट सीइंग द वर्ल्ड मच क्लियरर।
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
तो फिर उसके
And
बाद, हाँ हाँ जी, हाँ जी, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग।
no, I think I met you, and
यस,
I do want to talk about Aditi.
हाँ जी,
You and Aditi,
यस, बिकॉज शी
you
वाज
and
योर हीलर, आई
Aditi.
वाज नॉट योर हीलर।
Yeah, so my first connect, I think this was with you, but Aditi gave me healing, a
यस,
special mention. So you and Aditi kind of created such, you guys are so compassionate and you guys gave me such safe ground, to come and talk about, because you and I have never met in person. Like I
यस,
want to, but the kind of um, uh, pouring out of heart that I have done,
यस,
it doesn't seem that we need a connection to be even more closer. I think I already feel as if I could share anything, and I did at the very first meeting. So
यस,
with you as well as with Aditi,
हाँ
sharing
जी,
and with certain age and stage, I think being vulnerable also is a challenge. So,
यस,
but I never felt that kind of बैरियर और एनी इनहिबिशंस फॉर दैट मैटर तरुण आई मैं आपसे और अदिति से बिल्कुल खुलकर आपसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स और
बिल्कुल,
अपना अपने डिफिकल्टीज शेयर कर सकती थी सो आई थिंक दैट इट गोज यू नो kudos to you guys for creating so I think you guys are meant for that.
यस,
I genuinely feel that it will be favor to all of us. But I think certain things are charted out for you, and I do think what you're doing is charted out for you. And
यस, यस, फॉर श्योर, फॉर श्योर। अभी तो उस समय तो जब मैंने आपकी हेल्प करी थी ना, मैंने एस्ट्रोलॉजी पढ़ना शुरू किया था, बट अब मुझे पता है माई वाइफ इज मच मच पावरफुल हीलर देन मी। मतलब अदिति का जो हीलिंग का कहना चाहिए, जो उसका रिजल्ट है ना,
yeah,
मतलब इट
yeah,
ब्लोज अवे माई माइंड। इट एक्चुअली ब्लोज, बिकॉज नाउ आई सी हर
that's awesome.
एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल चार्ट, शी इज destined to become a healer,
Yeah.
and she is a divine counselor, I would
Oh,
say.
wow.
That is the word I would like to use. Why? Because I have seen the way she counsels someone ना, because वो थर्ड हाउस का कनेक्शन उसका पास्ट लाइफ, मतलब इट्स अ कनेक्शन, एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कनेक्शन इज सो ब्यूटीफुल कि मेरा क्या है कि मेरे को ना एनर्जी समझ में आती है, मैं डायग्नोज कर लेता हूँ, बट मुझे हीलिंग में मजा नहीं आता। टू बी
Hmm.
ट्रू, कर देता हूँ बहुत सारे लोगों की, जब ऑब्वियसली उनको तकलीफ होती है तो मेरा कर्म है हेल्प करना, तो आई हेल्प देम। बट प्राइमरली मुझे ना डायग्नोज करने में मजा आता है, मुझे वो मैजिक दिखाने में मजा आता है, सर सर देखो आपके साथ ये हो रहा है, तो लोग
Yeah,
कहते हैं
yeah.
हो यार ये कैसे पता, तो वो मुझे करने में मजा आता है। बट अदिति का क्या है कि उसको ये सब नहीं करना। उसने कहा मुझे प्रॉब्लम बता दो, मैं ठीक कर दूंगी। वो फिर हाँ हाथ बंद जोड़ती है, एंड आई द वे शी हील, फिनोमिनल।
Yeah.
कई सारे ऐसे, अब दिक्कत क्या है कि हमारे कई सारे टेस्टिमोनियल ऐसे हैं कि वो सीक्रेटिव है, वी कैन नॉट शेयर, लाइक यू सेड ना
True.
दैट यू ट्रस्टेड अस। तो अब एज अ हीलर, एज अ गाइड, देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स वी कैन नॉट शेयर विद एनीवन, मतलब
No,
दे
I
आर सो
respect that.
पर्सनल।
Yeah, no, I respect that. But I'm sure,
इन सम वे वी विल बी एबल टू शेयर, यस।
yes, yes, somewhere we will be, and the kind of impact you made on those people. Imagine, they could not even share it with others; they shared it with you. So,
यस,
and you are respecting their kind of space,
नो
their
नो, वी
privacy.
हैव
So,
टू, वी हैव
so
टू।
yeah, that goes to show a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit before joining Sanidhya, what challenges or issues were you facing in your life in a nutshell, or a very, just आप ऐसे छोटा सा बता सकती हैं, so
Ji,
that,
ji. Yeah, sure, sure. Tarun, I think the time that uh, I got in contact with you and, via my brother, I was at a point where I was experiencing challenges in personal life. I think I am a person who's probably mentally a little set in standards. I want things a certain way, a certain time. I think you made me realize it, and certain behaviors I'm not aware, but and if things don't turn out in a certain way for me or at a certain time, it bothers me. I started becoming very anxious. And you know how a domino effect, like, people talk about work-life balance. I think I mean, I don't think so. I am there to kind of, perfectly kind of create that
Yes,
demarcation key. I will keep my office self in office, or, personal self in at home. Uh, when I wasn't in a very satisfied place on personal grounds, it started to seep in my professional, and it was a domino effect for me.
yes,
So I then I was having, a little bit of anxiety and little bit of, the lack of focus, and, then, it's a vicious
yes,
circle. It's a
yeah.
vicious circle.
You were
So,
so fearful of many outcomes in your life. Very
yes,
few.
yes, yes, yes. And I think that was the first, I think, Tarun, that was my first,
Yes, yes.
uh, when I met you, and then Aditi gave me healing, to declutter myself, like you said.
हाँ जी.
Then I think, okay, yeah, I'm going to stop here because I do want to share my experience
Yes, yes.
during that time as well. So,
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So, okay. So actually, she has shared. So आपका मतलब इमोशनल वगैरह चल रहा था. हमने हीलिंग्स दी. And then that was the time I told कि भाई अब राशि आपको हमने थोड़ा बहुत साफ सफाई करके दे दी है. जैसे वो अर्बन कंपनी वाले आते हैं
जी,
थोड़ा बहुत साफ सफाई.
जी,
नाउ आपको करना पड़ेगा.
हम्म।
So then she immediately agreed to it. She learned and फिर
Yes,
उसके बाद
yeah,
हाँ. Then what happened was आप कुछ because of very professional and personal आप you were not able to practice that. Then
yeah,
again after few
yes,
months I think you connected with me and you
yeah.
said कि भाई I want to restart it.
Do it
And I
again.
said
Yes. Yeah.
yes.
But Tarun, I want to go back to the time when I was started taking healing. Like that was my very first
हाँ
experience with you.
हाँ.
So it goes on for 21 days,
Yes.
and I think it was sixth or seventh day. And like you said, she's like Aditi is phenomenal, So
Hmm.
I will talk about during the healing and after the healing,
Hmm.
immediately after the healing, my
हाँ जी.
first
Hmm.
experience. So during the healing, you know I came with like a totally open mind, but when Aditi and I sit down, not
Yes,
together, but
consciously.
at the same time at a totally different locations, I could sense like I think whatever she was, the energy she was emanating towards me were so strong that I could actually physically feel them, and so that was, a little, I wouldn't say surprising, but I felt that something was happening, because I think we are more governed by a very logical mind.
Yes,
If
yes.
I can sense it, feel it, see it, then only you tend to believe it. But I could feel it. And hence, during that time, I wanted to be more involved. That was during the healing when sixth or seventh day, the friends around me, and I'm a kind of person, like if I am a little bit perturbed, it shows very evidently on my face. So I'm not able to hide, whether if I'm sad or if I'm, gregarious about things. So sixth or seventh day, without me prompting anybody that, hey, I am doing so and so modality of, seeking energy healing, and what do you think, do you see any change, without any prompting, a very close friend of mine came up to me and say that, hey, I see a very welcome and very a change in you,
In your yes.
and I think you are reclaiming your old self back,
Yes,
and so I
she
think I
shared.
shared it with Aditi as well,
Yes, yes,
on
yes. You
this.
shared
And
with us.
so and it was very unprompted feedback that I received. So I think, uh, I felt it. People
Mm-hmm.
around me felt,
Felt.
also saw that, me, getting healed, and immediately after that, things started to get aligned for me. Yes, I've been guilty of not practicing it, practicing it very regularly. Then I think I learned the level two,
हाँ जी.
the Reiki level 2 module, that,
Yes, yes.
the 8-week program that you
Yes,
conducted,
that is HRFMS program. We have termed it
HRFMS
as
program.
HRFMS.
Yes,
Hanji.
that's
Yes,
correct.
yes.
Yeah, so I did that, and
Mhm.
Yeah, I think during that period also,
Yes.
I was, um, I mean, I gained my happy self back, to be very honest with you.
I have seen a change in you.
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
could,
think you also told me in one of the
yeah,
sessions during
yeah,
that period, short period of
yes.
time, you kind of,
You have changed. You changed in those 8 weeks. It was so beautiful to see that transition change. Actually, it gives me immense pleasure when I see people joining this program before that. And I have thought to do it that whenever people are joining for the first class, now I am not doing in group sessions, I'm doing personally. I will record the first session for them so that
yeah.
I can show till 8th week, this is you. Please see
This is
you.
you. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes,
You should do that. Yeah, it's
I'll
that
do that.
transformational. No,
Yes, it is.
I think it is that transformational. And I felt it. People around me felt it, like I said. And yeah, I think I learned that I did that course.
Yes.
And then I got wound up on a certain work related stuff and somehow were again not regular.
Yeah.
And I think last year I reached out to you again because
Yes. There were
uh,
few things.
yeah, there were a few things, that again started bothering me, and
Yeah.
I was at a place where I wanted to kind of change the immediate group that I wanted to work, and the kind of my headspace I was in Tarun,
Yeah.
with my anxious self, with with my with feeling little less confident. Yeah, I'd like to mention it.
Yeah.
I started to feel a very imposter syndrome around things.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then, when I started to explore opportunities within my org, that is, looking for opportunities within, different groups within my same organization, it required, immense studies and appearing for interviews, multiple round of interviews. So I think that's when I felt I needed yours and Aditi's support again.
Again,
uh,
yes.
and the magic that you do, the kind of headspace I was in, and in certain time I in a very short period of time,
Yeah.
I could land with multiple offers. I think
Yeah.
3 4 offers with me, which was a very welcome change that I wanted, to kind of gain back my confidence again.
Yeah.
And here I am. That change, if I mean, again, I think I didn't share it this with you. Uh, that change was very important for me, because not only to gain my confidence, but now I'm at a point where I am able to contribute to my brother's, my brother's scheme of things, because he also is looking for a corporate change, and he
Yes.
looks
Yes.
to explore other opportunities outside in corporate world, where I stand to contribute a little bit. uh, had I not gone through this change, this, I don't think so I could contribute as a family member to my brother. So I it not only regained myself, but I think I'm a better family member because of this, and a better daughter because of being there, um, for my mother, for my father, during the time that they needed me around during medical procedures.
Yes.
So yeah, I think it's a very, like, it has ripple effects on yourself, your personal growth,
Everything.
your being around in a societal tapestry. So I think
Yes.
it just has a ripple effect on everything. And once you're
Everything.
happy in
Everything.
yourself, then I think you're able to kind of
Well,
emanate that energy and that goodness to others as well. So I was able to be a good sister because of you guys.
no, no,
So
no.
that's how I
You
think.
have always been. It is just I remember when you gave me a call, and I think then I told, no, you don't require healings for this particular thing. You said if you can do. मैंने कहा, no, you don't require healings. I think we should do a card reading session, and I did a simple card reading session for
Yes,
you, and
yes.
that card reading session, I was able to see that there are some few mental blockages, and I just told you, you are thinking wrong, and then you accepted, yes, I have been thinking wrong. I just see it always requires just a small thought to bring remarkable change in you.
Yeah.
Just a small thought that uh, life is so busy. and I am experiencing it in such a better way. Just a small thought. So
Yeah.
I think that card reading also guided me to guide you towards this. And because whenever I do card readings or whatever readings, Akashic records or whatever I do, it gives me more experience every day, every time, every person.
Yeah.
So it was an experience for me that only a single thought can bring so much change in you. And then definitely I did send energy for that particular thing which you were
Yes,
asking
yes,
me to
you
do.
did.
I did definitely did that, and I definitely did. And you were able to achieve those results. I was really thankful to God to help you. And I was just a medium, probably. I don't do the
No,
work.
no, no, no. You've been very
It's
kind.
always
You've
the
been
God.
very kind. I think more than us, I'll just be very honest with you. I think my more than us, my parents, my mother, were like, somebody helping my kids. I think that's the
Ah,
favorite
auntie.
favorite son of mine already. So I think
हाँ
Ravi
आंटी
must have
आंटी
shared it with you. So
yeah aunty
yeah.
always keep telling मतलब she also gave me a call when Ravi had that incident of accident and
Yes,
I was
yes. I
I
think,
was
yeah,
able
you
to
were, yeah. I think you were there for us on like at occasions where we needed the most, So
it was
no, seriously, Tarun, if you
yeah
if you look back and you have
yeah
I'm at a point when I'm more aware of the signs, the
yeah
things happening, the
yeah
patterns. You were there, you and Aditi, and were there when we needed the most. When I say we and me and Ravi, like my family needed you the most. Whether my brother's evacuation, whether my
yeah
whatever I was going through, whatever my brother was going through, you were just there, and helping us wade through the situation. So it's just, like too indebted to you,
no,
Tarun.
see I it is always the universe and the God does through me. Yes, but yes, definitely I was the medium, and I'm really thankful to you that you gave me a chance. I'm thankful to actually Ravi as well that he gave me a chance and trusted on me and everyone, auntie, uncle, everyone, and to the
No, no,
universe that they
no,
have.
no. Thank you so much.
Okay. So the next question which we have thought is how do you to describe my guidance and coaching style?
I think okay, I'm absolute fan of you and Aditi's. Tarun, I mean, again, not at the cost of repetition, I will, I will still say it. The approachability and the compassion that you displayed was commendable. The again, repeating myself again, the comfort zone that you gave, and I think hearing our conversation, nobody can know that I have never met you in person, but
Yeah.
the extent of sharing that I could do even at the first session, I don't think
Yes.
so. It is very easy when you are, you're at a certain stage, you are set in your mind, uh, you know. Uh, and you can't even make friends easily, what to talk of
Yeah.
being vulnerable. So I think uh, I have seen a very transformative change in myself, and that's because of you providing that space, you providing that space in a very non-judgmental way, which has been very important for my own self discovery, I would say. I mean, it's a
Yeah.
journey, like it's not that
It's a
I'm
journey.
there, it is, but
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think I am at in the right path,
Yes.
and progressing that way. So
Yeah.
yeah,
That is the word progressing is the most important. See,
yeah,
we all
yeah,
are progressing. We graduate. I am also reading today. I am also studying. I am also trying to become a better person. And I think that's the only way you can become. You can. I think people have a very weird idea of self-realization. They think that some breakthrough just before you. I had a call and that person was asking 50 years old and that person was asking me. I'm just waiting for a breakthrough that I get some guru and I go. I mean, sir, I think I'm not the right person. I don't understand that you are going to get guru or not because everybody is not Swami Vivekananda that they are blessed to have Ramakrishna in their lives. But what we can have is we can actually live life so blissfully that someday we can get. So and with this I would also like to quote Chanakya. He has always said that कुछ प्रश्नों का जवाब जानने के लिए प्रश्नार्थी को प्रश्नार्थी के लिए काबिलियत जरूरी है मतलब इफ यू वांट टू इफ यू आर सीकिंग आंसर टू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू बी हैविंग दैट कैपेबिलिटी टू आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन आपके पास
true,
कुछ तो एलिजिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए
true, true, true,
so
true.
I think we are all progressing एंड द सोल रियलाइजेशन, पहले एक अच्छी लाइफ जी सके, एक अच्छा इंसान बन सके,
जी जी जी।
बाकी बात की बात है, बाकी
हाँ
फिर
हाँ,
देखा
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज अ गुड
जाए।
स्टार्ट।
या this is actually it is something at
Something I
least.
know. That's a yeah. It's such a solid foundational start. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
to
and
achieving
to,
grander
yes,
things.
and I think HRFMS is for everyone जो confused है स्पिरिचुअलिटी को लेकर के, दैट पर्सन डजंट नो कि मेरे को कहाँ
Yeah.
से स्टार्ट करना है, क्या करना है, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स क्रिएटेड एचआरएफएमएस थ्रू मी। आई एम तो नथिंग, आई डिड नॉट क्रिएट इट, आई डोंट नो मेरी तो क्या औकात है, वो पता नहीं, मेरे से बुक भी लिखा दी उसने, इतनी सारी चीजें मुझसे करा भी दी, मुझसे कंसल्टेशन भी करा देता है। लेट मी टेल यू राशि, इफ यू आस्क मी पर्सनली, आई नो नथिंग, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। हाँ, वो सर्टिफिकेशन वगैरह ठीक है, बट पता नहीं कैसे भगवान कर देता है, जिसको जवाब देना होता है दे देता है, जिसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी होती है करता है। आई हैव नो रोल इन दिस, जस्ट टू सिट एंड से भगवान हेल्प कर दे इस इंसान की, हो जाती है। तो आई थिंक
जो भी
इट
करवा
इज
रहे हैं
फॉर,
भगवान अच्छा ही करवा रहे हैं, आपके
हाँ
थ्रू ही
जी,
करवा
हाँ
रहे हैं,
जी,
तो अच्छा ही
बस
होगा।
बस आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फॉर दैट, मैं तो बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ भाई इस चीज के लिए। एंड thank you so much. And if someone is considering joining this program at Sanidhya HRFMS, what would you recommend? मतलब it is for the
Yes.
person, if watching this and somebody is thinking कि मैं join करूँ ना करूँ, करूँ ना करूँ, and he or she watches this particular testimonial, so what will you recommend to that
A
person?
fast yes, a fast yes, and again, I have I think with this fast pace, like, I mean, the fast paced world may sound very like a most used thing to describe, but it is, we have become very anxious, anxious beings, and with work and everything. So the people around me, who are going through, I think I have, recommended you
Yes,
and this to so many people. And I've had, again, them exploring is their own journey. When
yes,
they will explore, that's their own journey. But I have been your advocate through and through because, I mean, once you feel it, then only you can talk with, with that much confidence to for others,
बिल्कुल
And again, it's the same way my brother who went through the same things recommended it to me. So, and I am, again, I am also, doing the paid forward. Not that, I mean, you are asking, but it's just the goodness that was transferred to me through as your contact. I want to kind of, to help, however my feedback could help others. I'll just be too glad.
बिल्कुल।
And I have been doing that, and without any morsel of a doubt.
Thank you so much. And okay, I think we have.
Tarun, I also want to mention,
Mhm.
I did healing, I did the HRFMS course, and one more, the sessions that you were very kind to host like once a month,
Yes,
and in which we got to experience so many other things that you
yes,
taught us in terms of it was as simple as just giving energy to your tomorrow, like the events in tomorrow, or
yes,
the
yes, yes, yes.
quantum jump, and I
Jump.
think that
Yeah,
was awesome. I
yeah,
think it's a special mention there because that's also a very transformative way to kind of
yeah. It is.
do the manifestation,
Yes.
which I think really helps kind
Yeah,
of
I
carve
I
the way.
remember you. You were part of that quantum jump. I forgot now. Yeah, I remember there
Yes,
were only
no,
six people,
yeah,
and you
yeah.
experienced it.
Yes, I did, I did, I
Yes,
did.
yeah. That's why it is a beautiful way. Actually, quantum
Yeah,
jump is also a very beautiful
yeah,
way to actually pull in the energy of the exact self what you want.
yeah.
Oh, great! Thank you so much for mentioning it because I
Of
actually
course, yeah. I
forgot.
made my notes.
No, you, and let me tell you, you and Ravi both have been kind enough, and you are doing so much for Sanidhya, so much for me in person. I am indebted to it. I'm
Hardly
really
anything.
thankful.
No, hardly anything, Tarun. I'm, I'm here for life now. I am up to आपके पीछे ही पड़ी रहूंगी.
नहीं
We
नहीं
are here,
बिल्कुल,
and this relationship, I think, I've just been
definitely.
blessed to have met you, and I would not want to let go of this thing. So
No,
anything that I
even
could do for you, Aditi, Sanidhya, I think I'll stand to gain more than what I could ever provide.
these words are actually very, very, very. strength giving and supporting to me, let me tell you.
Oh no, and
And
anything for you guys.
no, no, Rashi, let me tell you, it is actually very kind of you that you are doing it. And I'm very, very grateful. And I feel really blessed that God is doing this work through me, because somehow it is something which always gives me pleasure, and now it gives me satisfaction as well,
Yeah, yeah.
because somehow, see, leaving, matlab, doing a perfect job. I was a permanent commission officer,
I know.
and
Yeah.
then leaving that job and picking up this profession, which is no way army and spirituality, it is completely poles apart. And picking up this as my complete profession and earning bread through it as well, it is difficult task to do, because
Absolutely. No, it takes another level of confidence, guts, and
yeah, it
what
is.
have you, to do this. But you're meant for this,
Yeah,
and Tarun, and you should do this. I mean, I
yeah.
would say, we would stand to gain a lot more.
Yes, and a special mention here as well, as Aditi supported you, she supported me in this venture. Let me tell you, she is my better half, and I call her my Sarthi of life, because wherever is required, she always guides me. No, you are right. And I still remember that day, and I told her that I want to leave army and I want to do it full time. And she said, it's a big gamble what you are thinking of. It's not easy to do. And in the beginning, she said, okay. After 2 days, she said, okay, please do it. If you are happy here, so I am also happy. And that was the time I had the courage to let. Till that time, I had no courage to do it. He helped me, and I took this thing, and let's see what has
Yeah.
happened.
No, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I mean, I can imagine Aditi being very strong partner and
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She is.
so yeah, I'm not surprised at all. The support that you guys have for each other as well as
Yeah,
she has for
for
you.
this
So
particular work. Yeah. Okay. So I think we have actually done whatever, मतलब जितना भी हमें करना चाहिए था. If anything is left from your end, you can just let me know, and we want to.
yeah, no, one more thing, like what you've taught, Tarun. Uh, those were very the techniques, I mean, they range from right from small, very easy to practice modalities of just giving energy to an event, to your day, to the 26 point,
Point metrics. Yeah.
the healing points of
Yes. Yes.
making sure for the entire body healing.
हाँ जी.
So you provided those very easy to practice modalities in that range. So I think sometimes you just get little overwhelmed that, hey, what do I have to do? So they were so simple and so easy to follow. And I think you giving logic behind it, I think we are very driven by logic,
Yes.
so you providing, legit explanations around it. I think that instilled more in the brain to kind of, to follow it. And they were so
Yes.
easy to follow. You made it so easy for
Yeah.
us to, to follow them. So I think, and might, and said it enough. So they were effective. I still think, I could be more regular, and I want to be more regular, but I'm a lot better than what I was, and I want to
No,
be a lot better
definitely.
than what I am today. And I think today, my anxious self from before, I'm able to handle the stress more gracefully. Like I think I feel I'm more equipped to handle things. Uh, I do have
Ups
my
and downs.
ups and downs, and
Yes.
not perfect way to not able to always address it, in a more graceful way, but lot better than what I was. So I think that's what, Reiki and you have given me. So I do want to mention it because in current environment, I think come as
Yes.
that comes as a very strong tool for you, just so to kind of keep your sane mind to kind of tackle, because sometimes you don't get downtime to, it's always the one after the other, something or the other. the other
Actually.
is happening. So, you don't get downtime to kind of think and then react. So I think I am responding more than I'm reacting, and I am handling stress uh, more gracefully than before.
Yeah,
So,
you are looking more graceful than ever before, and
oh, thank you so much. Oh, so nice of you to say that. Thank
so
you.
actually, when universe created HRFS through me, I think the only thing which I kept in mind was I was asking ki I want to work for the skeptical people because I was a skeptical boy once myself. So
Hmm.
I wanted to understand the mechanics behind those things because see, you just keep giving the technique without understanding the mechanics, it doesn't work that way. So that's why for each and everything, I wanted to understand mechanics, and God delivered me the mechanics. I understood the mechanics. That's why I thought I should share the mechanics because many skeptical people are going to learn it.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then having the exact technique to handle that particular issue, I think that was very beautiful
yeah.
for the universe to create it. And then understanding and handling health, relationships, finance, manifestation, spirituality, and prosperity all
Absolutely.
together at once. It was phenomenal. Even I
Yeah,
could not have imagined that I would be able to do it. It is all because of the universal guidance and by the God that I was able to do it.
yeah.
So that's it. Here, Rashi, we come to the end of recording this, which have been awaited for so long.
I know
And
it is a
I would,
special
yeah,
day.
it is. And time just happened 11:11 right now. So just it is
Meant to
11.
be.
So yes. So thank you so much. I'm indebted to you for all this. And if you are comfortable, can you share our email so that if somebody wants to check whether you are legit, you are true. So if you are okay, so you can share your email ID.
I will
You,
do
you
that.
can you can speak it. I'll write it. You can speak it
Okay.
out.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh.
I can speak it out. It is
Yes, please.
yeah, it is SHRV Victor V S T T for Tom Victor numeric 2 at gmail.com.
Roger. So I think anybody who's listening and thinks that ये manipulated है, scripted है,
No,
खरीदा हुआ
please reach out to me. Yes, yes. Please reach out to me. I have a LinkedIn profile by the name
Yeah.
Rashi. So that's the more legit that's any legit
Yeah,
can
that is
be.
more legit.
So please reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help. And I've had friends reach out to you
Yeah.
who've been, meaning to kind of
Bad
explore
times.
this.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Rashi. Thank you so much from
No,
my
no, no.
in
Please
here.
don't say that, Tarun. I feel, I can never thank you enough. So don't make me more indebted to you. And this is
No,
the
no,
least
no,
I
no.
could do.
No.
And you will, like I said, this will, the relationship, it's for life now.
Yes. Yes. It's for life.
अब मैं आपके गले ही पड़ गई हूँ तो
नहीं,
अभी
नहीं, नहीं.
but I'll be anything that I could do just to, spread the word or anything, and I think you don't need to speak that, I think
Yeah.
whatever you have given me, I think it just speaks for itself. But anything I could be part of in any small way, I would just be too glad to do that.
Thank you so much. And I think let's close with may whosoever is watching, please you be blessed with good health, happiness, spirituality, prosperity, and abundance. And may this help as many people and as many souls possible. Thank you, Rashi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.